Here's how to install your magnetic curtain track system. Step 1. Install the first end stop. Start by inserting one end stop into the track. Gently lift the internal pressure pad. Slide the end stop into place, then tighten it with a screwdriver to secure it. Please note, for curtain tracks that exceed the maximum shipping length, the track will be divided into sections and connected using a track connector. To install the connector, first, slide the connector onto one end of the track and tighten the screw to secure it. Then, align the next section of the track and slide it onto the other end of the connector. Once aligned, tighten the second screw to firmly join both sections together. Step 2. Add the runners and magnetic connector. Slide the runners for the first curtain panel into the track. Then, insert the magnetic connector block. This goes right between the two panels. After that, slide in the runners for the second curtain panel. This magnetic block ensures both sides snap together cleanly when closed. Step 3. Install the second end stop. Now insert and tighten the second end stop on the opposite end to hold everything in place. Step 4. Attach the mounting brackets. Snap the mounting brackets onto the back of the track. Simply lift the white plastic clip upward. It locks into the rail and releases just as easily for future removal. Step 5. Mount the track. With brackets attached, use screws to fix the track to your ceiling or wall. Depending on your installation needs, make sure the track is level and aligned with your window or space. And that's it! Your magnetic end curtain track is now ready to use.